whole life has changed. Yes, it did, bitch. Oh my God, I love this. What it is, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I go by Cassandra Liz. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. So clearly my full face is completed. I did everything off of camera just because every product that I applied on my face, I just recently did, and nothing has changed. Same foundation, same concealer. The only difference is my makeup fixer by Ofra Cosmetics. I am absolutely obsessed. This is like heaven in a bottle. Like the way it sets your makeup, you can cry and you won't have no streaks. This is legit. Like, you guys need this in your collection. Definitely one of my favorite setting sprays at the moment, but for the most part everything is literally the same bronzer, foundation, primer. But please let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see full-on makeup tutorials where I am applying my foundation, primer, and stuff like that. So in today's video, I was sent over from Ofra Cosmetics a few of their holiday collection, doing the Symphony holiday set, which comes with the Symphony signature palette, a blissful lip gloss which has like a little gold shimmer in it, and the Pasadena lasting liquid lipstick. I'm absolutely obsessed with their liquid lipsticks. They are just so velvety and long lasting. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys seen that I was wearing these. When I tell you do not sleep on Ofra Cosmetics, I literally mean it. Like, so far from what I've tried, mind blown. Okay, I started off using like Maybelline and things like that, so to try something completely different, I'm with all the shit. Open this bad boy up. Their packaging is bomb. The way they like, oh my God, I didn't even notice this. So the palette is already open, you guys. Get out the lipstick. So this is the Pasadena matte lipstick, and this is the Blissful lip gloss, which is more of a rose gold shimmer shade. I like that. That's cute. That's real cute. All right. I always jab a nail in a palette, so I'm so glad that I didn't do that. So look at how beautiful these shadows are. I'm going to first go into this burnt orange shadow right here with a Morphe M433 brush. Very good for blending out your shadows, especially into your, I feel like this is more of a, it's not even a nude, it's more of a pinky nude. It's cute, it's cute. So I'm just gonna apply this. Oh yeah, it's coming off definitely as more pinky. It's really, really pretty though. And I'm just going to blend this into my crease. Your girl really said burnt orange. Either my eyes are messed up or this palette is playing tricks on me. Am I like tripping? Doesn't it give you like, I don't know, whatevs? To deepen it, I'm just going to be using this darker shadow right here and just adding that also to my outer V as well as into my crease. Just blending those shadows together and also giving it some depth so that it doesn't look so bare with that pinky shadow. This is really pretty. It's coming off as like a burgundy. I love burgundy shades. Absolutely obsessing over how these shadows blend together and how well they look together. I will say a little goes a very long way, but if you are like me and you want deeper, don't be scared to dig your brush in that palette, okay? I used to always be like that. Like, I would be like, I don't know, it's not gonna look right on me. It's not gonna look right. Stop procrastinating and try something new. I am obsessed. Like, Very, very, very pretty. So now I'm going to just use my finger. And I'm going to use this shadow right here. That shadow is called, I don't know why I'm not telling you guys. So this is called Godiva Tempo Blissful Charm and Sublime. I just fucking love these words. This shadow right here, which looks like this. Hey guys. You guys can see I record on my phone. Don't be afraid to use what you have to get what you want, okay? Like, there's no better advice for anybody. Just if you want to do it so bad, use what you got. Anyways, let's hop back into this because I am always sidetracking. Use my ring finger. Very, very pretty. Oh my God, I'm excited. And then I'm just going to tap this all on my lid. What? This is so pretty. Yo, no cap. Shout out to Ashley because she knew. She knew. Out the outer part a little bit more and blend it into that shimmer shade. Now for the inner portion of my eyes, what I'm going to use is Blissful, which is this beautiful shimmery shade right here. And I'm going to just pack it on lightly inner corner and kind of blend it in to that shade. I typically love to add like a shimmer shadow just because it kind of just wakes me up and, you know, I just look like I'm glowing and things. So you guys don't have to do this. You guys can skip. Okay. Now I'm just going to add these dark shadows right here on the lower lash line. I just think that this like really helps the look come together and it doesn't look so bare on the bottom. Really looks all blown out, you know what I mean? I love that. Oh, by the way, you guys, I'm using Morphe M152 brush and it just looks like this just to add on my lower lash line. So this is what it looks like with no lashes. I'm going to apply my mascara and my lashes off of camera and I'll be right back. Boom, lashes is on. So the lashes that I am using are by Love Loose. This is one of my amigas on Instagram. When I tell you guys, she is like the sweetest soul ever. I truly mean it. I'll link her down below in the description box. She is selling lashes and you may want to get your hands on these. Do you see these? These are so cute. So these are in Dreamy. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. It's the shimmer for me. Even though I don't like glitter on me, I love the packaging. It is so pretty. Definitely go check her out. Let her know I sent you. Show her love, all that good stuff. So now for highlight, I'm going to use the glittery shimmer shadow right here with a fan brush. Because they do say that you can use these as a highlight. So I'm like, let me see. It's really pretty. Oh, this is real pretty. Do you guys see that? Like how so pretty. You'll never find a glow like mine, okay? Period. Look at this. Oh, you see me from miles away because of this? Honey, you need it in your life. Just saying. Using Ofra Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Chestnut just to outline my lips. As you guys can see, this is like the perfect brown liner. I always recommend a brown liner. I just feel like, I don't know, it brings me back to the 90s, and I love the way my lips look when I do apply that. So don't judge me. Now on my lips, I'm just going to be using Ofra Cosmetics Pasadena Long Lasting Lipstick. I haven't tried the shade and I am so excited. I am that weirdo, okay? I know I always smell. I know like people were like, why are you smelling the lipstick? Girl, I want to smell it. They all smell different. Because the other one smelled so, like this one smelled way different. And, I mean, that's pretty. Let's try it on. So buttery. I love their liquid lipsticks because they're not drying. Like, your lips are not about to be cracky, and you know what I'm talking about. That be looking well. This one is just so, like, their formula is just so buttery, and I cannot stop smelling it. Like, it's so pretty. I do like the ombre effect, so I am going to add a lighter shade. I'm going to use Bel Air a little bit in the center of my lips. And then just tap it out with my finger. This is the completed look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below if you would try this look and if you guys have tried any of Ofra Cosmetics, because if you haven't, I think I just gave you a reason to, okay? This is like the perfect berry. Like, I did that. I think I just did something. What y'all think? It's the glow for me, but the entire look. It's the entire look for me. I'm so tired of just saying it's that one thing for me. No, I am the full-on package. It's all of it for me. Overall, I am obviously obsessed. If you guys did not get your hands on the SYMPHONY palette or even the Pasadena lipstick, you need it. This is so dreamy. I love the way these shadows blend out, and I love how pigmented they are. Dream. Just a dream. And that is a wrap. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time, I will see you guys all in my next video. Peace.